Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this really cool folding surprise drawing with an environmental theme to it. And feel free to design your own environmental themed drawing. This is basically just a sample of how it all works. Okay, so step number one, you want to fold your paper in half and then basically fold it in half again from the bottom up. Now this fold here is really just to mark the bottom part um, of your drawing where you don't want your drawing from the inside to come out onto your bottom part there. So that's really just a line. You could even, wouldn't have to fold it if you didn't want to. You could even just draw a line in there. All right, so I've got my public domain image of my beehive here. I'm doing what I call a transfer. And so what you do is you scribble graphite on the back of your subject matter that you want to get onto your paper, and then you just trace over all of the lines. And what that does is it will create a nice little ghost image that you can then go over and darken up those lines. Okay, so there it is. I've got my ghost image in place, and I was going to do it with pencil, and then I decided I'm just going to go right into the pen, no big deal, and finish tracing that beehive. All right, so that was it for the outside part. Got the beehive in place, and now I've got my paper open, and I want to make this beehive look like it is splitting in half. So of course I want to draw that sort of hollow-looking ellipse there. Finish off that. And then on the top, I'm going to make it look like the lid of a jar or a cookie jar of sorts. All right, so now I'm just putting in the details, anything that you might imagine would be bee themed. So I've got some honeycomb shapes there, just dripping honey from the top. Now I'm going to add my banner here to the center, which is going to read "Save the Bees." So bees are in a bit of a crisis. Bee populations are declining, and so we're not entirely sure what's causing that. Could be pollution, but as you know, bees are essential for pollination. All right, got my lettering in there. A safe way to do the lettering is to letter it in first and then go around um, those letters. Okay, and now I'm using that public domain image again to just transfer um, bees all over the place. So once again, saving time, not worrying about drawing skills, just using my transferring ability to get those bees everywhere, and they just look absolutely perfect. On to the inking, basically skip over that. Just showed a little bit of inking there. All right, so there's a closed version and an open version with it just ink. Okay, on to the coloring. Decided to challenge myself and just use Crayolas this time. And I thought it turned out pretty good. Not too much variety in my Crayola color assortment. All right, so it's all colored in. Here's the effect with the folding surprise. 1, 2, 3, and ta-da, there it is. Save the bees, guys. All right, well, enjoy making your own environmental cause folding surprise drawing. Once again, there it is closed, and there is the open finished product. Good luck, guys.